Mzansi, another Nike outfit by Dr. Nandipha Mahudumana. Today, she is not proceeding with her bail application. Her lawyers say that we are not abandoning it. Let her matter be rolled over to May the 16th as there is a new material that has come to light which needs to be ventilated. I don't know the meaning of ventilated, but the state says that Dr. Nandipha Mahudumana's lawyer approached them this morning and there was a written request for some information which they need to respond to. So her matter is rolled over to May the 16th, the same day that Thabo Baxter is back in court. So May the 16th, Thabo Baxter and Dr. Nandipha, as well as Zolile being Dr. Nandipha's father, will be back at court. Anyway, Mzansi, till I see you again, please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel for the latest more gossip. Bye bye.